So this time when x is very large, the graph of y equals 1 half to the x power approaches the x-axis. That is, as x gets larger and larger and larger, farther to the right, the closer the curve gets to the x-axis, but will never actually cross the x-axis. In this situation, the x-axis is called an asymptote. So you'll read more about those a little bit later. Does y equal 1 half to the x power have a vertical asymptote? In other words, is there a vertical line that the graph approaches, and why or why not? So we see that there's this horizontal line, okay, that we will never actually approach. Is there going to be a vertical line? Is there going to be an x value that we would never be able to reach? And the answer to that is going to be no, because I can continue, I plug in an x value of -2 and I get a y value of 4. I could pick any x value, and you can try this. Try x is equal to like -10. So you would do 0.5 raised to the -10 power. And you're going to get 1,024. So we would have y equals 1 half raised to the 10th power. That's going to be y equals 1,024. I'm sorry, to the -10 power. Pick another x value, like maybe say x is equal to -100. So now I've got y equals 1 half raised to the -100 power. Again, just type that into your calculator, and you're going to get another kind of weird number when you type it in. It says 1.26, and there's a bunch of decimals after that, but then it says E30. Now, if you notice this time, the number that comes after E is positive. This means that's a really large number. In fact, what that means is it's 1.26, but it would have multiplied by something with 30 zeros in it. It's a large number, okay? So we can put any x value in. And the reason because I can put any x value in, that there's going to be no vertical asymptote. So no vertical asymptote, we can use any value as an input.